Dumelang Lindlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, we are back with Umkhokha the Curse. Umenga no buntu hayi yasebenza into yabo pyramid scheme abantu, whatever it is, it's happening, it's popping. People are starting to deposit money, more especially after that guy had presented, right? Of which at this point unobuntu yambona man ukuthi uyabona naye ukuthi hayi man umenga ngathi uqabanga something, and she doesn't know ukuthi this will get both of them into trouble. Worst part, Kabomenga, they are like wealthy, they are rich, it seems. Yena gibo ke abu average Joe and what nithini ngesilungu kona lokho. But uSibahle naye hayi u20 imali esesontweni bazalwane. uSibahle took from the cookie jar and then went and sacrificed the money that is not hers. So I wonder ukuthi ugirl uzoyichaza kanjani kubabakhe, or because papa yathi bidipalo is not gonna add up, right? Okay. uSifoxiya ke ahambe ayocela uPhakathwayo ukuthi uPhakathwayo akabuye esontweni abuye kumkhandlo, because yena esisifoxiya akamfili kahle ubathu bandlo ishoni uNdlovu. The reason is the decisions that uNdlovu is making, they're emotional, they're just something else, right? uMabusi yena ke on the other hand, she is trying so hard ukuthi ameshise uzamxolo nobuntu nokubonga. So my question or my worry is, what if she doesn't die? uNokubonga is going to put her life on hold forever. What if she does not die anytime soon? What if she dies 20, 30 years from now? uNokubonga has to remain single for that. It doesn't add up. It doesn't make sense. Excuse me. Then sizela kule engichaze ukuzindlula zonke le ethatha icup uMamzobe ke sekayo hlanjulula. All right, when you are a sinner etempeleni lenkosi, you wear black, right? They were wearing black, all sinners, they sitting for class. Again, that's not the problem. The problem is the teacher of the class being Ndlovu's wife. I would have left the church there and there, outlined every person's sins like one by one, which when you're sleeping with other people's husbands, when you're stealing this, when you got pregnant by another man while you were married, when and this and that, and I'd say okay fine, ningono nonke nje maninje uMamzobe uthatha icup Zobelicious sukuma bakubone. Yo guys, wazikhipha izono zikaMamzobe, wazikhipha. You could see ukuthi uMamzobe ncane. This is not the Zobelicious we know, but we know ukuthi she's gonna come back with a great comeback when it comes to uNdlovu's wife. But here's the question. Everybody else with their sins, they said they must go. Umvelasi uzoba hlambulula. Please tell me what is in Zulu ne? Uzoba hlanjulula or uzoba hlambulula, right? But when it comes to uMamzobe, bathe aye muzi ngamuzi ayokokota and ayoxolisa asho ukuthi uxolisela for siphi sono. Guys, the whole of next week nje if uMamzobe zabenza koko house to house, hayi sobe sihleka one way. But this is your girl Disebo D. Thank you for watching. I love you. Peace. Bye.